y'all, welcome. Thanks for joining me. I'm Shantae and this is Tuck Tips. So today I got 2 Stitch Fix boxes, y'all. So I'm doing a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. I got one for me and one for King Tuck.
Yeah.
So let's get started. And once again, his box is bigger than mine, y'all. I don't understand. Look at this. Look at this. It ain't right. Okay, let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. I want y'all to comment below and let me know what y'all thought about these pieces. What y'all think looked good, didn't look good, what y'all liked, didn't like. If y'all thought the stuff was trendy or not, let me know. Okay, ooh. Oh, and I didn't normally, you have to tell your personal stylist what you want. Y'all, it was busy, you know, the holidays just passed, so I didn't put anything. This is the first for me. I didn't put not one note to my stylist. Here's I'm recording and talking.
My bad.
All right, so let's see. Okay, so first we got this. I do like this color, y'all, because I got a lipstick that I wear that's this color. Oh my goodness, y'all. Then this look like what you call this, where the top ain't long enough. All
Crop
this,
top.
yeah. I don't know if I'm in shape enough for this. It's very pretty, but I'm not the type to wear high-waisted jeans and things. So we gonna see. See, this is what happens when you don't let your stylist know what's going on, what you're looking for, what you need and stuff. That'll be the last time I forget. It's a cute top. Oh, look at the sleeves. Can they see the sleeves in the video? And that's cute. Okay, date night. Alright, we gonna see y'all. Oh my goodness, why did I forget to go on here and let her know? And normally I always put, ooh! Y'all know this is my thing. Y'all know this is my thing. If y'all watch my Stitch Fix unboxings, y'all know I'm big and I love the elbow patches. Okay, so this is so far, this got me excited. Okay, I'm excited again. This is cute, y'all. If I don't keep nothing else, I'm keeping that. Okay, let's see. Okay, I do need a regular black blazer. I just bought one. But it got some details in the one I bought. I'll show y'all that. I bought it from Deliveries. So, okay, I got a cute black blazer. Let's see. And, okay. Oh, can they see the detail in the camera?
Yeah.
This is really cute, y'all. This is me. This is me. Okay, so my favorite 3, just from looking at everything, are these pants, these leggings. Ooh, maybe these are gonna be high-waisted and I can wear it with this burgundy top. The blazer and the sweater are my favorite. This, we'll see how I look when I put it on. Okay, now it's time for King Tuck's turn.
Oh snap!
Oh, we snap, babe. Let's see what you got.
Let's see what we're working with here.
Let's see what you got. Tears! Here, I'm all looking at it like it's my box. This ain't right. I already see some shoes and things.
See what I can you see me in there? Yo. Good.
Don't make no sense.
Alright, let's see what we got here, y'all. Let's see what we got here.
He didn't tell his stylist anything either. But you know, men, y'all, it's so easy for y'all.
Oh, don't start hating.
Well, I'm hating, but this ain't right.
Don't start all that hating.
Oh. See what you got.
I have to see this song. This normally ain't my color.
I know, I was thinking that when I seen it.
It's normally ain't my color, but I have to see what it look like on.
It look cute though, babe.
See what we can do. What y'all think? What y'all think?
It look cute next to your collection.
Or down button up shirts.
Seems like I got a sweater this color already. But I do like it.
Yeah, that's cute. That's cute, babe.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Yeah,
cute.
I like it.
Yeah.
I just might have a sweater with this. Actually, the one that's this color is I say it's a sweatshirt.
Okay.
But I got that color.
Oh, babe. Now I like that.
Yeah.
Babe, I like that.
Mm-hmm.
That's my favorite one so far.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
That's
nice.
my favorite one so far. Okay.
Yeah, I already know with shoes and everything. I'm
Yeah,
wearing that bad boy
okay,
right
alright.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Stitch Fix.
Mm-hmm. You done hating now, huh?
Yes, Terry. Whatever.
Yeah.
I'm still a little man.
Devil dog.
Okay. They got some basic jeans. You don't have any jeans that color either.
I don't know. I gotta look. There's a bunch of jeans in there
I know.
that I don't even be wearing. Yeah, we'll see how those fit.
Okay, you ready for the big reveal?
The big reveal.
I don't know if it's the big one, but you look, you still got a pair of shoes up there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
They send me shoes every box, don't they?
I know.
Don't they know how many shoes I got?
I know, you got a lot of shoes. I hope your stylist watching this video. We're going to have to put a note and tell him to go and watch this video. He got enough shoes, y'all. He got more shoes than me, y'all.
I like that, though.
Oh, those are nice, babe. Those are nice. Ooh, that's going to look good with that sweater.
Yeah.
That's
Put them both up in the camera.
Yeah, how y'all like that?
I like it, babe.
You too.
All right, we about to try this stuff on, y'all. Let's see. We about to see. If y'all don't know, if this is the first time y'all are watching Stitch Fix unboxing, or y'all don't really know too much about Stitch Fixing, check out the description area, and I will put some facts down there, some info details about Stitch Fix down there. And you can check out my other Stitch Fix videos, because I give a little more detail in those videos while we're trying on everything. Alright, y'all, so this is the first two pieces, the burgundy top and the pants. Now, first of all, these pants, y'all, looks really good. I like them. They flattering. Okay. I see date night written all over these pants. The top, okay, I love the top. This will be my first top, crop top, but it won't be with these pants. And so I don't have high-waisted pants, so now I'm gonna have to go out here and do some research, y'all, on how I can rock this top. This is flattering. I love the color. If y'all watch my other videos, y'all see when I have lipstick on, normally it's this color lipstick, so this is gonna be cute. All right, King Tut, let's see what you got, babe.
Sweater.
I like
What y'all think? What y'all think?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all like that?
Alright.
Are those Stitch Fix?
Yeah, these shoes came in my last box from Stitch Fix. Like I said, they always send me shoes.
Yeah.
So, yeah, the shoes came in my last box. So, there we go. What y'all think? Y'all like that?
Yep.
I like it.
Good. I like it.
It's got a nice feel to it. Looks good.
Alright, y'all, this is the next top. I still got on the same pants, but this is cute too. I really like it. What y'all think?
Looks good.
I
Yeah, I
love
like that,
it.
y'all.
And I don't know, I'm just shocked. But I like it. Look at this. Look at the details. It's only one button. It's easy to put on. So it's just one button right here. All this is open. It's easy to put on.
I didn't know how I was gonna feel about the sleeves.
Oh yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
This is something I very much needed in my wardrobe.
Yeah, it's jamming right now.
Yes, yes. Okay, now here go the blazer. Okay, I was thinking, you know, I wasn't gonna like this box too much, but liking it a lot. Okay, here go the blazer. Okay, I need this. I need this in my life, in my closet. Just to throw on. This is me. I wonder if it was my same stylist. Oh, this look cute too, having the little thing come out right there. Okay. All right, y'all. Let's see what Daddy got. Oh. Pose for the
What y'all
camera
think?
now.
This ain't normally my colors, but guess it look alright.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
everything look good on you, babe.
Oh,
I think every color is your color, man.
Oh, is that right?
Mm-hmm.
All right then.
What
y'all think? What y'all think?
Looks good.
Looks
Yeah.
good, babe. Looks good.
Guess I can rock it. I guess I can rock it.
Yeah, I like it, babe. Oh, tell them about the pants. You tried on the pants, right?
No, I didn't try the pants on.
Oh, okay.
Because I know I ain't gonna be able to put the pants on. These pants are 34. Your boy wears a 36.
All right.
So ain't no point in getting my blood pressure all high trying to squeeze into these. Because we already know that ain't gonna work.
All right.
That's that.
All right, we each got one more thing, y'all.
Yep.
All right, y'all. So this is the blazer. Remember when I opened it up, I said I already just bought a new black blazer, but it's a little different. So this one's a little bit more, the other one's more casual than this one. So I'm probably still going to keep the other one. This one I got from Dillard's. So if you're looking for a black blazer, now you got two options. Found this at Dillard's. It's a Calvin Klein blazer. It's really cute, y'all. Really cute. Maybe I'll post a picture on my Instagram of me wearing it so you can see what it looks like. And this is my last item.
Shoulder pads.
Yeah. Y'all see these elbow pads? Ow. Yeah.
I said shoulder pads. I'm stupid.
Yeah. But I love this. This is me. And even though I didn't say keep my same stylist, because I always say keep my same stylist for the last few years. Maybe they just already know that's how I roll. So maybe this was my girl and she hooked me up even though I didn't give her no notes, y'all. And just last night for New Year's, we went out and I was complaining about not having enough dressy tops for like date nights and things like that. So I don't know, maybe it's just, she just, you know.
It's a connection
It's
somewhere.
a connection there. It's a connection. She knew. All right, y'all. So this is this.
Yeah.
All right, King Tut.
What y'all think?
I love
What y'all think?
Ooh, you done put the hood on.
Oh, yeah.
All
Let's see
right.
what we're talking about here.
I like it, babe, a whole lot.
Yeah, y'all like that?
Yeah.
Are those pants and stuff Stitch Fix too?
Nah, I got these.
Nike. Nike.
Yeah, these are Nike pants that I ain't wore yet. Obviously, I still got the thing on right here. And these shoes I got from Stitch Fix and one of
And
my
they try to talk about us having stuff in the closet.
I got these shoes from Stitch Fix. It's in another box. Might want these about 1 or 2 good times. I don't know. Let's try one of these bad boys on one of these new shoes. See what they talking about.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna like maybe the darker ones, the ones they just sent you with that outfit better.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to
Cause the contrast, I like.
try both of them on. See which one. All right, y'all. What y'all think?
Yeah.
Damn.
Damn, what shoes y'all like better with it? The lighter ones?
I don't know. I think I might like the lighter ones more.
Yeah, I like the color of these better, but I like that look more casual for this.
Yeah.
For this outfit.
Yeah.
But you know, I like you in this. Look good. This is my favorite.
Bam.
What was y'all? Okay, so y'all tell us what's y'all favorite.
I think I like that red crop top with those pants.
Okay, really? My boo thing, y'all. My boo thing. Okay, Terry like my little burgundy crop top the best. What you like the best on?
Probably the black dressy shirt with the sheer sleeves.
Yeah.
I liked it when you had like the blazer on with that. That was nice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I like when you have the blazer on with that too.
Okay, let's see what y'all like of Daddy's Stitch Fix.
I think I like what he got on the best right now. That
Yeah, I know.
sweatshirt.
Find somewhere to go.
I know. Let's hit these streets, babe. Let's get out here in these streets and see
Yeah,
what's
we got-
happening.
Corona
Bring me something back from the
stuff.
dollar store.
We got Corona running rampant out here. Yeah, but I like this sweater the best. Oh, so let's just say our little closing. Thank y'all for watching. If you want to see more of my Stitch Fix videos, go to my Stitch Fix playlist. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more tips. Also, check out my social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and because sometimes I put stuff on there that's not on here, and stuff on here that's not on there. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for the follow. This is King Tut. And this is Tut Tips. About to put some clothes on and go get something to eat.
Look sexy. I know.
Ain't you hungry?
Yes, I sure am. Try and get this video out for y'all and put my hunger to the background.